Okay, this is still Tropical Storm Debby. Another band has moved in. This one is a little bit more tornadic, so we are watching the Weather Channel. They're saying tornadoes are all around Highland and then on up Citrus, Hernando, and Pasco counties, which is our county. There's a piece of wood from our garden that has drifted because of the water over to the side. And as you can see, our pool is so overflowing. If I can get this while I'm inside here. There's a snail somewhere here. Oh, there, snail. But you can see from the leaves, at one point when I went to grab the camera, they were on the concrete. They've now drifted into the pool seamlessly because it's the same all the way up to that post and then coming in. So it's pretty deep out there. And there's how Ada's enjoying the rainy day. How's it going? Not affected by the tropical storm whatsoever. Hi. Other than the fact that she enjoys the fact that we're inside today and get to play with toys. You want to wave? No? Okay, just smile. We'll take that. There's the current radar. We are in that county right there.
And give us some relief.
And so, that's us.
Again, as we're keeping an eye on this, I believe
as he zooms in, north of Tarpon Springs, south of Spring Hill.
We only have one tornado warning left for
right there at that bend
till 4 o'clock. And
so it's pretty crappy. Emily, what are you doing today? Emily's trying to do homework. She's telling me to go away. Go boy. All right. Say goodbye. We'll catch you guys later. This is I'm an old man. This is Tropical Storm Debby 2012. Ada's first tropical storm.